If life isn't a movie, then you're the best part. Mag-video.
Ba't ka kasi nag-video?
Slowly. So what's up, guys? So we are here with my fake friend Joe, and we have a project called stitching, embroidery stitch. And we're gonna do first is the running stitch. Running stitch. Like what the fuck? Wag na mag-video! This is called running stitch. We're just gonna go skip. Huwag na nga mag-video, bobo nyo.